Hey guys, welcome to G Reviews. Today I'm going to be repairing my Simrad 4G radar dome. The thing's probably about 6 to 7 years old, and I noticed that I was getting an error on my screen. I'll go ahead and put a screenshot of that here. Getting this error, and from everything I read on The Whole Truth and other forums, most likely the cause is the drive belt. So I'll show you that here in just a second. So I already went ahead and took off all the bolts. So there are 6 bolts around the cover, and just one to note, there is one of them, and I kind of didn't even realize it was there, but there's one of these that's actually underneath a sticker, and I didn't even notice it was there. I'm just trying to find it here. Let's see. Okay, so it's this one down here. It says void warranty if open, but again, it wasn't working. So under there's also a bolt. So there's 6 total bolts to get it off. And if this looks familiar to you, so this is basically what happened. These little drive belts, they just rot over time, and mine broke. So all we're gonna do is replace it. And from everything that I've read online, this McMaster car is the only place to really get these things. And all of the forums said that this is the correct diameter and circumference belt, this 21 3/4. I got a couple of them because shipping's $10. The belts are only like, I don't know, $3 each or something like. So I've got 2 of them. This is what they look like. Again, I'm not really sure there's any other places to get them, but those are the belts. So all we're gonna do here, there's a couple bolts we have to take out. So there are 2 here. There's one here, one here. And then if you look, there are 2 smaller ones. There's one here and one over here. And then if you see this third one underneath, so once you take this cap off and you disconnect the wire, you can go ahead and take this third one off, and then that'll take off the radar array itself. And then once you take that off, you can go ahead and put the belt on this pulley and then this pulley over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off that, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, so what we did, we just took off this little cover, and these are star bits. Actually, they're really tiny star bits that take this cover off. But we got one more Allen bolt, but what I'm gonna do, the plug for the radar array is right here. So you just unplug that, take out this one bolt, and then the whole radar array should just pop right off. All right, so as you can see, just went ahead and unplugged that. Once you take those 3 bolts out, the whole radar array comes off. Now I'm going to try the 21 3/4 belt. We'll see if it works. Hey guys, so I just went ahead and put the belt on. As you can see, it's running really well. No problem. It's kind of the perfect amount of tightness. It's not just going to pop off. So that 21 3/4 does look like the perfect size for the Simrad 4G. I believe the 3G does a very similar. It's a very similar circumference belt, but you definitely have to check on that one. This is specifically the 4G model. So I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back together, and we'll go test out and see if it works. All right, and there's the radar array back on. As you can see, the belt is working well. So let's go ahead and go test fit it on the boat and see if it works. Okay, so I went ahead and put the radar back up here. I'm just test fitting it, so I've got it plugged in. I've got the new belt on here. So let's go, and of course I'm gonna put the cover on there, but let's just come down here. Let's go ahead and try it and see what happens. I think I hear it. Hey, there it is. Sweet, and that is how you fix your radar, your 4G Simrad radar. Perfect, easy enough, $4 fix. Please like and subscribe to the video for more great content. Thanks for watching. And there's the radar. Spin it, there we go.